Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are Art Forex Trading Institute. We have come with another beautiful educational video for you guys. The aim is to raise people to know how to trade markets in the right way. When you know to trade in the right way, it will save you a lot of time. Okay, so today it is 5th of April 2026. It is Sunday and it's midnight as I'm recording this content for you, and I'm super excited to give you these and other tips for you. So I would like to welcome you in this channel. If you're new to our channel, I'm Samuel Jimandosi, a professional and co-founder of Art Forex Trading Institute. I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel so that you cannot miss each and every content that we drop out in this channel. So let's get straight to the trades that I've been able to take during this week. As you see, we are in EURUSD. 1 minute time frame is our time frame for scalping. We are scalpers. As market was like previously, was in a correction of was in impulse move of moving forward, and then now this will move, it's a correction, then boom to the upside. So we are looking for opportunity to trade during this correction. So let's break down this market price action that we see here. Markets come up to this level and created the lowest low that this was the lowest low during this whole impulse, and then market just went up and created this lower high, and created another so this become our high since market changed the direction to upside. So this become high, then this become high low, and then created another high, and then created another high low, which later on this high low became very strong after taking out this previous low and previous high lows liquidity. So then went up and then just came down. Since it didn't break this, so by any means this will come down and come to take out this. Why? Because it took out this liquidity here. So it means by any means, whatever kind of correction that will happen, this high must be broken. Why? Because there are these liquidities which has been taken, so this market has to go higher than this high. So after this, market created this high which was very, very strong, and then market came down and clear out this high low, and then clear out another this high low too. So this signifies that the market has shifted the direction. As you can see, I have demonstrated here as a breakout structure. Market has changed, has break the structure, and that it has changed the character. So now we are looking to go down, but at this price action I saw the opportunity of going up a little bit, like 2 to 3 minutes opportunity for us to go up. As you can see, market went up and then went down, went up and then went down. So at this range I saw whatever market, after market went out of this range, we'll be looking for forward movements, we're looking for upside movements, and then so that for the market to continue with the down movement. So after market get out of this range, and then after market come down for the retest, so you can name this as a break and retest formation. So market, let's demonstrate this as our resistance zone. Markets break out this resistance zone, break with a very strong bullish momentum candlestick, which were so strong. That's break all these support zone which we are holding around this area. So markets went up and break it, and then just came down and retest. So and then I entered during the formation of this candlestick, which this one here, during this the candlestick, the formation of candlestick after the closure of this bearish candlestick, because I knew that this is going to be the change of this market to the upside. So I entered here and I risked 1%, and I targeted 2%, as you can see here, and as you see on the screenshots above. So this was the first trade, and then we went for the second trade the few minutes later. So just know in our mind that we were in a bearish momentum. This was just we saw this opportunity, but the target was the bearish. So after market taking this and then come out and took out this low, so created this lower low and then created this lower high, and then came down also to create this lower low to create another lower low, and then it went up to create another lower high. So I was waiting for market to take an inducement, and then it's clear this lower high, the mean lower high as an inducement, and this is what I was looking for. Why I'm looking for this? Because if markets for markets to go for its prior direction, is the need to take inducement for during the correction. When the market is correcting, it needs to take some inducement, some more money, so that for it to continue to its prior direction. So these are the things that I consider before taking a continuation trade. So then after taking out this, I was looking for just change, just a candlestick formation or breakout outside the range. You can see this range of this candlestick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which were forming around at the same level. So I was waiting for the just breakout at that level, and then I'm gonna enter into my trade. So you can see this candlestick which took out this, get out of this range, and just closed outside of this range. So I entered in the formation of another candlestick, and then I put it my stop loss above this level, and then I targeted 1:2 here. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It was 9 minutes trade, as you can see, guys. So that was it for my second trade of the same day. It was on Tuesday, and this was around during the overlap of the New York and London session. So let's get straight to the trade number 3. My trade number 3 was a loss, as you can see, and this loss I could be able to escape it, but okay, it just happened. Sometimes losses you cannot escape them. I was waiting for 1:2, but markets just gave me 1:1, and I didn't close it at 1:1, and I decided to wait for 1:2, and then market just turned against me, and then it went to my stop loss. So I got a nice trade. That I knew that this was the kind of correction that markets would just go down, but markets needed to take out these. You can just demonstrate it as, let's demonstrate it as a trend line liquidity that market was waiting for, to take this, all these people's liquidity, as you can see, just come and take this high, and then after taking this high, and then it went down. So market was looking for taking enough money so that for it to continue to its prior direction. Then I entered during this, and the market just went down. So I could get 1:1. I could get one. If I could get out at 1:1, I could just take on my profit, and then it would be good for me. But the problem is that I just get it 1:2. So 1:2, and then the market turned, and then take out my stop loss. So okay, it's fine, it's part of the game, as you can see. So later on, after getting that loss, I just so that market needed to take out all this liquidity, and after taking out this high, so the market was changing the direction. As you can see, market was just trading and getting out of the ranges. That was the first one, and this was the second one. This was the second range that market was true. That's what market was just staying around this. As you can see, there was so much consolidation. Market just spent a lot of time at this point, like 10 minutes, I think, something like that. So after seeing the closure of the candlestick out of this range, I just waited for this pullback. As you can see, this bullish pullback, and then I entered during the formation of the candlestick, and then I put it in my stop loss at that high, and then I targeted 1:2 at this trade. No, I think my stop loss was below this high, above this. Yes. So at that point, my TP was around somewhere here. Yes, so at this point I get 1:2, and then I could be able to secure my profits and then keep on going on. Let's go to the trade number 5. Market was moving so fast. Okay, let me break down this trade. Market was, you can see the prior direction. Market was moving upside and then created this correction. Then I was looking for just opportunity for me to take long this trade. Why? Because market created this high and then went down, then went up, and then it created another this low. High low. This high low took out this previous low, so it means this is a very, very strong low. So it means that the market, whatever kind of correction, the market should not come and take out this low. Why? Because it has already took this previous low. So what I was looking for is just bullish continuation to the upside. And then market created and went up and then went down to create this low, and then went up to clear this high, went up to this point, this point, created up to this point, then come down to create this low. So as you can see, this market spent a lot of time here, which tells us that this is the liquidity. There was so much amount of money. There was indecision between buyers and sellers. So it means for market to go up, it means buyers are supposed to come, buyers are supposed to fake sales so that to come and take all this liquidity before going up. As you can see, they faked these sales movements here for a period of time and come and take up to this level of liquidity, Let me demonstrate it. And they come and take out this liquidity. As you can see, this liquidity has been taken with these movements. So after this, market boom to the upside. So after seeing this liquidity, markets took out this liquidity, I was waiting for market to show me the candlestick that for engulfing candlestick, right? Engulfing candlestick that will confirm to me that this market has turned to bullish side. So after seeing this, and then market just come and gave me another strong momentum bullish candlestick, and then just came also and give me the rejection candlestick for pullback, and then I entered during the breakout of that candlestick. So at this point I reached the trade is super fast. I could not be able even to put the stop loss or the TP because I just opened it and then it was moving super fast like news. And it's like news trading, man. This was very it surprised me a lot. It was stunning. It was a very stunning moment. So within 2 minutes I could be able to get how many pips, so many pips at this point, like 75 pips. That's it's all about this week, guys. This was my last trade of the week. So I would like to thank you for your time for tuning into Art Forex Trading Institute. I would like to ask you to share this video to your people, to your friends, and to whomever that you think he needs to get this knowledge. And you can feel free to just contact us through our WhatsApp numbers and our Instagram, as you see on the top of your screen. So see you to the next time. Bye.